this is Anita C. So I'm now in London for business, and every year I come to London for business. I love to stay at a different Marriott Bonvoy hotel to see what it's like. And this time I am staying at the Park Tower Knightsbridge, the luxury collection. So it's very interesting because I'm just looking at this. The whole building is like in circle, and pretty much all the rooms are similar in size. But I got the executive suite, so actually it's a combination of two rooms, 919 and 920. So I'm going to give you a very quick room tour of my executive suite at the Park Tower Knightsbridge. Actually, I have used all my Suite 9 award to get upgraded for this day. So in London, in central London, which is very close to Harvey Nicholas, is in the Knightsbridge area. This is a very, very good size hotel. And I'm going to give you a quick room tour first. So I came in from room 920, which is the normal bedroom. So you can see they have the bathtub as well as the shower here. A single thing, okay. The weight. And then coming out here is the bedroom. So this is a nice king-size bed. Again, good mattress, nice linens. The decor is classy. Like the furniture is a little dated, as you can see, but overall it's not too bad. Okay, so this is the sofa area for the bedroom, and this is the work desk area. So this is the room that I assume that you will get as a normal room at the Park Tower Knightsbridge. So when I got upgraded to the executive suite, it opens up to the next room. Okay, so here, that's the door. If I walk in from here, is actually the stand-up shower. Okay. And then this is the wardrobe. Put in my jacket here, but the slippers and the bathrobe is here. Okay. And then this is the entire living room. So this is why they call it the executive suite. So I got the welcome letter from the hotel, and then a nice big bottle of still water and red wine, and then the coffee machine and the kettle. Interesting, because this is actually a capsule coffee machine, but they do not provide you with any capsule. But anyway, I will double check with the hotel, maybe that's what they are missing. Okay, and then they have the fridge. Yeah, not the mini bar. It's basically an empty fridge. Okay, and then the work desk here. And then it's kind of dark, but I'm going to show you the view. I'm on the 9th floor. It looks like I have a pretty open view, which is nice. But again, I will show it to you tomorrow morning, because now with the reflection you cannot actually see. And this is the living room area. So I actually, is November right now. I still have some Suite 9 award that I haven't used up yet, because last time they reject my upgrade and return it to me. So I still got a few left, so I use it for this trip, not to waste it, because if you do not use the Suite 9 award by December 31st, then you're going to lose it. So I apply it here. which is nice because I will have some meeting. And actually, with this setup, I can actually invite people to come up to have a meeting here because the door can close and this can be a separate area. So do not need to really go into the bedroom. So this is pretty much the executive suite that I have at the Park Tower at Knightsbridge in London, in central London. I'm going to have breakfast and I will show you the breakfast. And I guess that will be it because they did not mention to me that there is club lunch, so I assume that there is none. And we'll show you as much as I can when I stay here. Okay, so here we go. Good morning, London. I am waking up at the Park Tower, Knightsbridge in London. So it was pretty dark last night and I cannot show you the view. I'm on the 9th floor and actually it's a very open view. And you know, with all the greens, with my location here in this room, which is pretty pleasant. The sun is not out completely yet, but you know, just showing you that's the view of my room. Okay, so I'm going to take a shower and go down for breakfast and then heading to the conference that I will be attending this few days. So just continue to watch the video.